Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you simple 2 steps to show and hide the ribbon in Microsoft Word. The second method is awesome. First method, first of all, be sure you click on any of the menu, here in my case in Am Home menu. Right-click anywhere in the free space of the home ribbon. Then you will see the option Collapse the ribbon, click on it. The ribbon is now hidden or minimized. To show the hidden ribbon, click on any menu, then right-click anywhere in the free space. Then you will see the checked option on Collapse the ribbon, click to uncheck it. As you can see, the ribbon is now fully visible. Second method, you can also show and hide the ribbon using a simple keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus F1 on your keyboard. Each time you press this shortcut, the ribbon will toggle between being shown and hidden. It's that easy. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.